Hi, Elham here, and I have a personal invitation for you to join me at a live online workshop on Facebook advertising. Facebook? Yes, you know why? Because Facebook's the best online platform for hyper-targeting your ideal clients at the lowest possible price at this point in time. And when I say hyper-targeting, I mean it. Yeah, there are other platforms that you can target people based on their location and gender and age, but with Facebook, you can go much deeper. You can target people based on their education level and field of study, the industry they work in, their job title, their hobbies, their recent life events like changing job or changing house, marriage, new baby, even how much money they make. I know it's hard to believe, but this is the power that Facebook gives you to be laser focused on targeting the right type of audience to your business. So you don't have to waste your money and time on people who will never be interested in your business. Now, I've designed this live online workshop for those who want to get customers quicker and easier. So the business owners, the corporate employees, B2B, B2C, online, offline. Also, this workshop is for those who don't currently have a business, but they like to start one. So if you want to start a business and you're looking for a good business idea, this workshop is definitely for you. Because I'm gonna give you a hot business idea that you can apply quickly by learning Facebook advertising. Now, during this 4 hours live online workshop, we're gonna cover a lot. Most importantly, we're gonna do a lot. Well, this is not a regular webinar that you just sit and listen and take some notes and get excited for a couple of days and then you just forget everything. No, this workshop is all about rolling up our sleeves, getting dirty, and creating killing Facebook ads. We're gonna develop your powerful ad text. We're gonna create your irresistible offer. We're gonna drill into it and find the best target audience for you. We're gonna create your ad graphic. I'm gonna show you how to create your graphics easily and quickly without using Photoshop. And after we make everything ready, we go inside Facebook and actually create your ad. So at the end of this live workshop, you'll have a powerful Facebook ad ready to run. But it's not just that. I'm also gonna share with you a lot of marketing tips and tricks that knowing them can save you a lot of time and money. Because there's a right way to do advertising on Facebook and there's a wrong way. And I promise you to show you the way I run my own ads and my clients' ads and make them great success. This is the right and direct way to the finish line. So, would you like to join me for a half-day live online workshop that you'll walk out of it with your killing Facebook ad to ready that you can just press play on? Yeah? Then let's take the first step together. Also, don't worry, you don't actually have to pay me right now. Of course, if you loved it, you can pay $97 after the workshop, but not until after it. Sounds fair? So just fill out your info now and reserve your spot. I'm going to ask you to pay just $1 to secure your spot and also to help you show up. And if you love the workshop, we charge your card $97 the following day. Of course, if you didn't absolutely love it, just email me in person and we don't charge your card even a cent. There's no catch, no fluff, no hype. I do this because I'm confident that you'll get a lot of value from this workshop. Remember, this is a live workshop and it is small and private because I need to have the opportunity to interact with you and answer your questions. That's why the spots are super limited. When they're gone, they're gone. Now, that's all from me. Are you ready to create your successful Facebook lead generation system? Yes? So just secure your seat today and see you inside the workshop.